viewers. Today in this video we are going to learn a new aspect about Tally ERP, that is the inventory management. Effective inventory management helps businesses increase their profitability. Considering this aspect, reports in Tally ERP9 has designed to help to maintain optimum stocks of inventory. With the help of these features, a user can define their quantity to replenish their stocks. So basically, our inventory info management has helped a lot in maintaining their purchase, their sales, and how the complete inventory is managed. The inventory management in Tally ERP has been divided into several parts. There are total 4 basic parts that we comprise in inventory info, that are unit of measure, go downs, our stock groups, and then our stock items. So coming towards the first step, that is the unit of measure. Unit of measure is created when inventory in the first step is done created. A unit of measure is basically a definite magnitude of quantity. Its concept lies that whenever we sell our products, we sell in different mediums like in quantity, in periods, in numbers, in dozens, in kilograms, or in meters, and etc. So to create unit of measure, just click on unit of measure. We will be creating, we are doing a business of cement, so definitely the number of units shall be fall in the numbers. The symbol shall be denoted by its abbreviation or short form. An informal name, we shall be mentioning the complete name of our number of units. So here our number of units has been created. We will go to the display and view our unit of measure. So in case if there is any error, you can also click on alter and then edit your errors. Hence, in this step, we just created the unit of measure. The rest of the steps shall be followed further. So, continuing after our unit of measure, we have over here go down. A go down is basically a place where stock items are stored. You can specify where the stock items are kept. You can obtain stock reports for each go down and account for the movement between locations and go downs. Hence, this feature of go down has enabled accountants to manage their stock in a much easier way. Now, to create a go down, we are going to click over go down. Then here we have two types, that is single go downs and multiple go downs. Businesses that incorporate in large areas go for the multiple go downs. We will be creating over here the single go down. Let's create it. For example, I'm keeping a location as I82. Now, it's your choice. You have list of go downs. It can be your main location or any other. Primary, we add primary if it is not a sublocation or go down of any creation, but here we will be keeping it as our main location. Now, our stock with third party, no. Third party stock with this, no. So let us accept it. Now let's see that our go down has been created by I82 location. So this is the way to create a go down, and in this go downs we have different locations and we can maintain our stocks in a much easier way. This important step we have in inventory info over here is our stock groups. So what are stock groups? Stock groups in inventory are similar to groups in accounting masters. They are helpful in the classification of stock items. You can group stock items under different stock groups to reflect their classification based on some common features. For example, their brand name, product, their type, quality, and so on. So first over here we are going to create a stock group. We have single stock groups and multiple stock groups. Companies that are dealing or incorporating in large areas go for the multiple stock groups, but we will here be creating a single stock group. So let's create a single stock. Now here we have different options over here. Like the first stock group I'll be creating will be Fauji cement. It will lie under the category of primary always, and the quantities shall not be added. So here our single stock group has been created. Another one that I'll be created shall be a pioneer cement. Now as I have created my stock groups, I will go to display and view the stock groups that I have created over here is pioneer and the second one is food. In case of any error, you can alter them over here to correct any type of error. Multiple stock groups are created when companies deal in large areas. We won't be going towards that. So this was the stock group. After stock groups, the last step we are left over here with is the stock item. Now what are stock items? A stock item basically refers to those items that we keep in our physical stock in our store. Stock items has quantity associated with it. Every time a sale is made for that item, its quantity will be deducted. It is the same way like we are storing some chocolates in a box, and as soon as we give the chocolates or we sell them, the leftover quantity left with us is the rest of the inventory, and the inventory sold out shall be deducted from the rest of the inventory. So same is the case with stock items. Stock items has helped manage our minor parts of sales in a much better way. So let's create a stock item. We have over here single stock items and multiple stock items. Now multiple stock items is another useful feature of Tally. You can create unlimited number of items from a single screen. But now we will be creating over here a single stock item. Let's create the first I will be creating shall be a Duracell. It shall be fall under the category of Pioneer Cement, and the units I have selected is the numbers. Rate of duty shall not be implied over here. The quantity I'll be selecting shall be 900 and the rate per quantity shall be, for example, 670 rupees. The go down I've mentioned over here is IA2 that I recently created, and you can observe over here that I just gave the rate and quantity and the total amount is automatically automatically calculated over here. So there is no need to calculate it separately. This is a good feature over here that has helped accountant to consume less time in doing this work. So let's accept it. Now over here our one stock item has been creating. The second one that I'll be creating shall be in EcoSim. It shall fall under the category of 4G cement and the number of units shall be numbers as usual. Quantity shall be 600 and rate per quantity, the location shall be IA2 and the rate per quantity shall be 4. Again the same amount has been calculated and here I've accepted it. Now let's observe and go and look the number of stock items we have created, the Duracell and EcoSim. For example, in case of any error, as human beings are prone to errors, they can make errors. If there is any error, in that case you can alter and you can go and recorrect it over here. So this was about stock items, and here we just by doing this complete process, we saw that how inventory management can efficiently and effectively be managed by accountants in Tally ERP. Tally ERP possesses those features that helps work to be done in a much reliable way, in less time, in a much accurate, well managed and organized way. Hence, this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment and share. And please subscribe our channel if you haven't. Thank you and keep waiting for the next video.